Make sure to stick around for the end of the video if you want to see me get hit by a drone plane. Alright, I am here at FEAT Meet, New England's best FPV drone and wing get-together. If you're not here, you're missing out. You definitely need to check this out in the future. I'm gonna fly through the danger zone right here on my S-22. So you can see all these different pilots flying from all over the place. I'm gonna give you a better view. We'll go by here. I'll switch cameras. This is the field we're flying with today. All right, let's see the pilots. Here we go. Going down the flight line. So. I need to get a school bus. That is awesome. That's a surprisingly decent setup right there. Yeah. So here we have the racetrack. Oh! Oh no! We lost one. What's up, man? Fly all the things. We are all set up this year. Back on my S-22 from Kingston's the way to go. But right here we have a big electric fence. You don't want to play around with that. You crash your drone, missing this gate, you gotta deal with the bulls. You gotta deal with the bulls, the cows, and the electric fence. But look at the size of these gates. 5'10" human per scale. Whoa! This is intense. Look at these gates. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, this is excellent. So I just flew my Nano Drac. I learned how to fly it properly. Some of these guys taught me how to do it. You see, keep going. I would always have my goggles on and throw my plane. And I was taught by Slowpoke, one of the OGs of FPV. You really need to do heavy goggles on your head and you throw the plane. That way you can correct it on your own. And if it's not going good, you can actually fix it and not crash. And to prove the point, because I told him I wanted to fly in my goggles alone and thought I knew better, he said he'd launch it for me. And instead of launching it, when he said he did, he just shook it and saw my reaction. And I was like, oh crap. And I would have crashed and lost a plane. So he got me because now I see the point. Now I can throw it or have someone throw it without the goggles. And it's really easy to steer when it's coming away from you because it's the same controls. Line of sight's easy going away. So you just throw it, you make sure it's nice and level, aim it up, and then you put your goggles on. And believe me, I had a plane hooked to the side, it's super easy to correct. So learn from the gurus here about all the tricks for FPV. And that's one of them. When you're launching your plane, don't do it in the goggles, look at it, and then drop the goggles once you got enough altitude. All right. Yeah, back to this event. So I still have my hardcore 48. I'm gonna fly that with my Insta360, hopefully in a formation with some of these giant Dracs they have here, because a lot of people have big Dracs. It's gonna be a big formation, probably some of the biggest planes on the East Coast. I'd wager a bet that this is probably the largest gathering of the large planes. So we're gonna see those in a little bit. And I'm gonna make sure that I fly my big 48 with my 360 in formation, and that'll be great. S-22 to the rescue. I didn't cause that, did I?
Nope.
All right. Oh!
okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. My bad. My bad. I'm sorry about the plane. Dude, I'm sorry about being in the way. I was in the flight line, dude. Tell me about that plane. What do we have here?
It's a 6S EDF jet that I just built.
Dude, that thing is sick. You use literally cardboard to build it?
Yeah.
And we got a VTOL hovering right here. I apologize. That is a surprisingly decent crunch from hitting me.
Yeah,
But
got some heft to it.
dude, what's your name, dude?
Dan.
You're Dan?
Yeah.
Dude, this is awesome. So what do you have here? Yeah, tell me all about this.
It's a X-29. It's like the NASA experimental jet.
Yeah, my name's Rob, by the way. Surprisingly decent to channel. This is FEAT Meet. You guys, tell everyone what they're missing out on.
That's a blast.
Hell yeah.
Hey, where are you?
It's so great.
That's what's up. Even in the rain, doesn't matter. Got hit by a drone, doesn't matter.